Alright, so I'm doing a little demonstration here. This is the factory light right here. This is the one that I got at the yard. Apparently the one that I got at the yard is fine because this one is doing the same thing, so that it is, the problem is in my wiring. As you can see, this is incredibly dim compared to the left, which seems to be quicker. See? Now I'm going to see, just to make sure it's not in the right circuit through the wiring, to try and rule out the Stalk. This also appears dim when you use that compared to this. See? So I'm going to go to the right, remove this plug right here. And see if I've stopped the short. Nope. It appears the same. So, not sure that that's definitively ruled out the signals. Now I will attach the front, which is the ones I've added, the aftermarket LED lights, which are all heat shrunk right up to the front. All the way down every spot I could. Plug this back in. Alright. And disconnect the factory. And you'll see if that in effect solves my problem here. Trying to just roll down to the wiring leading to wire, to the lights, etc. I'll go back to the front, or to the dash. Still dim. Obviously the LEDs don't need very much power in order to operate, so they stay bright. Let's see if they're as bright as the other one though. Definitely not. The left is brighter, so that means the whole right circuit is shorting, which leads me to believe it's probably in here. Alright, so these are tied so that if one of your signals is bad, they both show up dim. And this one is dimmer than usual because short. This one will likely be the same on the hazard circuit. See? Okay, so I'm definitely starting to think that my problem is within the Stalk, which makes sense as when I turn the signal, that's when the fuse is blue and everything else. So, taillight dilemmas.